Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole. Your mobile blog is for TOCtown.com. And today, as promised, I have a final flip through of my everyday carry, my EDC for TOCtown.com. First, I want to change out the pin that I'm going to be using from my live and local. It was actually produced by a group, well, two people, twins, Be True to You, which I'll link them down below if you're interested in picking up some personalized accessories for your next riding retreat. And I'm going to be using pink, of course. I'm back in the pink mode for this summer and season. So I really like what they had in mind as far as the design is concerned. It has a stylus at the top, simple, click pen, and it's a ballpoint right, like every other pen. But it's great when I have it on the road because every time I don't want to touch something or just, fingerprint my devices, I can just use a stylus and write out my notes and keep it moving. Alright, on the side pocket, I have a top tab and also an inside pocket, which are currently empty, but I'm going to be using them for my workshop and annotating the notes as well as the daily jots that I want to do for my Etsy shop, Hannah Victoria 123. I will be reopening it for the 2020 season and having digital downloads available for anyone that wants some tips, tools, and everyday planner techniques, especially for their personal planner. Now, mind you, I'm also going to be updating my Patreon, which is patreon.com/TOC Town for those artisan admins that just want to go deeper into how they plan out their day, how they utilize their studio, or even how you want to position yourself as far as customer service is concerned. So I have a team now. I'm not by myself. So if you want to go ahead and support our corporate community and also our growing culture, I invite you to do so. So in the video, I had different dividers, dashboards, and I really like the way that all of the dividers came together. So there was a mix of one from Kinleigh Doodles and the ones that I personally made in the shop. But I found that leaving them without a label, I can flip switch them and the design will be a lot more different and applicable to the workshop that I wanted to teach. And of course, there's the January through December calendar. And I'm going to be dropping in new notes, new insight, fresh material, not only for myself, but others that write with me in the blogosphere. So if you have any questions about what I'm posting as far as TOC Town corporate culture is concerned, please go ahead and leave a comment in the section below. You're welcome to sign in the guest guide and leave your, question about what planner you should use as well as working in the small business corporate arena, some things that you may want to think through as you're developing out your next phase and stage of your planner journey. So this is actually from, the name is slipping by me, right? So Much Crafting Inserts, and I did a full walkthrough on all the inserts that I purchased, and I'll be sure to link them in the card up above this video. And last but not least, I will be re-stamping my DayTimer inserts, the one that came with the planner. I know a lot of us in the community think that they're blab and drab and just, green, but I plan to dress them up with stickers, stamps, and such in order to make sure I'm staying focused and on target for my working workshop this winter season. And also in my back pocket, I put in an A6 insert that I purchased from Paper Penguin Company, but most of us call the company Paper Penguin Co. And I purchased this one in a oops sale. It was a mystery sale. I didn't really know what to do with it, but now I plan on using it for the summer, making sure that I practice my art techniques as well as my design and layout. If you want to see an inside tip, tool, or even a technique that I use in order to organize it all, then go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll share with you some tips that I did as far as making sure not only that the insert was used, but when I file it away, it's actually more useful as a tracking tool. Alrighty, that's the back page, a few more sheets left, and I will call this planner one and done. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. Until we meet online or face to face, be blessed.